Okay, so very good afternoon, dear students. Today we talk about cosine similarity and cosine distance. Okay, so this is basically uh, concept about geometric as well as same concept we are using in data mining. Okay, so how it is correlate with them that we'll see first. Basically, we have to focus on geometrical concept. Okay, so before starting our session, I must say thanks to Mr. Krish Naik and Monsekio for making wonderful videos. So I'm taking all the materials from it. Okay, so that's why we should appreciate these persons. Okay, now we start this session. Fine. So first of all, what is cosine similarity and cosine distance? Similarity means we have to find out the distance between two points, or we can say that two elements. Okay, दो elements में हमें क्या करना है, distance find out करना है. So there will be the two concepts. We can finding out the distance using Euclidean distance, Manhattan distance, and Minkowski distance. And third one using angular. Angular means angle. We are finding out the angle between these two points. Okay, so first of all, the major concept regarding similarity and distance. Suppose if you cosine similarity, suppose हम बोलेंगे कि ये दो पॉइंट्स जो भी है, दो एलिमेंट जो भी है, इफ इट इज बोथ आर सिमिलर मींस डिस्टेंस शुड बी लेस. डिस्टेंस लेस रहेगा तो सिमिलैरिटी इंक्रीज होगी. इफ इट इज डिस्टेंस इंक्रीज देन सिमिलैरिटी गोज डिक्रीजिंग. सो दिस इज वाइस वर्सा concept. Okay, so how it is dealing with that we need to see here. Okay, so I hope everyone clear this part here. Okay, I hope clear what I want to say. For example, first of all, just concentrate. Suppose this is 2 points, let's say P1 and P2. Okay, so we are going to finding out the distance between these 2 points. Okay, this P1 is here and P2 is here. Here we have to finding out the distance between these 2 points. So there will be the formula that we have seen. Again, one important part here for Manhattan distance, that is, it is called in technical word, that is L1 form. For second is Euclidean distance, it is having L2 form, and third one will be Minkowski distance, that is L3 form, or we can say that LP form. LP means L can be anything. These are the different forms for distance measure algorithm. Okay, so basically you know that if you want to find out the distance between these 2 points using particular formulas. Okay, but this is what, if you want to finding out the distance between these two points using cosine similarity, means we are going to finding out the angles between these 2 points. So here we are mentioning angle between P1 and P2. Let's assume the angle between these 2 points is 45 degrees Celsius. Okay, so 45 degree means what? Equal to cos 45 equal to value of cos 45 in mathematics, that is 0.53. So according to that, this is called as what? Cosine similarity. So cosine similarity, the formula of cosine similarity is cos theta. Okay, and theta means the angle between these 2 points, that is P1 and P2. So equal to what? If it is angle is 45 डिग्री, सो वी कैन से दैट cos 45 की वैल्यू क्या रहेगी? 0.53. सो 0.53 है मींस सिमिलैरिटी है, so it's near to similar. Always remember that the similarity we are counting in 0 +1 to -1. Okay, so +1 वैल्यू है, इसका मतलब है दोनों सिमिलर है, isn't it? So this is the actual concept regarding what? Similarity here. Again I'll revise. Cosine similarity is nothing but the angle between these 2 points. Okay, so how we are going to finding out the angle between these 2 points? Angle means according to, if you want to calculate the distance of these 2 points, so there will be different formulas are there. Okay, some formulas है जिसमें हम क्या करेंगे? दो पॉइंट्स की डिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट करेंगे. बट इफ यू वांट टू फाइंड आउट कोसाइन सिमिलैरिटी मींस व्हाट? एंगल बिटवीन दीज 2 पॉइंट. सो इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द angle between these 2 points is 45 degree, means what? The cos 45 value will be 0.53. Okay, so हमें ये दिख रहा है कि दोनों में कितना डिस्टेंस है. हेलो
मैम.
यस,
cos 45.707 होता है मैम.
cos 45 have you seen in logarithmic? In log,
yes,
please check it. What is the value of it?
0.707.
0.7, just recall again.
07.
0.7.
Right.
Yes,
It's right, ma'am.
Okay, fine. You just calculate it. I'm giving the value here. Okay, fine.
Ma'am, I calculate it, ma'am.
Okay. Have you seen the cos 45? That is, I think, Pythagoras theorem. It will given. Okay. It is given in Pythagorean theorem. If you are using calculator, so you are calculating currently. Yes. आपने कैलकुलेट करके देखा ये लॉगरिथमिक कैलकुलेटर यूज. ओके.
Ma'am, he's right, ma'am.
ओके.
0.707, ma'am.
0.70. Yes, dear student. 0.707. Yes.
मैम और वो डिग्री में है, cos 45 डिग्री का है 0.707 और अगर रेडियन में निकाला तो वो आंसर करेक्ट है मैम.
हाँ.
आपका.
Yes, yes.
0.53.
Actually, this difference, yes, means आप किस रेशियो में उसको डिग्री में ले रहे हो और रेडियन में ले रहे हो, अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट द वैल्यू गेट चेंज. जिनका पॉइंट था उनका सॉल्व हो गया. मैं उनको क्वेश्चन पूछ रही हूँ, जो स्टूडेंट क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं उनके लिए. यस, क्लियर हो गया. Yes. Okay, fine. Thank you so much. Okay, so you just concentrate on cosine similarity means what? Angle between 2 points. Okay, fine. So next one will be what? Suppose I am taking the example this. Let's say here, suppose this is 2 point, P1 and P2. We have to finding out the distance between these 2 points. So you can see the both are far away from each other. Okay, unka distance ज़्यादा है. Means we are going to calculate using theta definition. Cosine similarity equal to cos theta means angle between these 2 points, that is P1 and P2. So the angle of 90 degree, or we can say that radian, the value equal to what? Cos 90 की वैल्यू क्या है? 0 वैल्यू है. Means what? जब cos 90 की वैल्यू 0 है, इसका मतलब है सिमिलैरिटी नहीं है. सिमिलैरिटी नहीं, अभी हमें दिख रहा है कि दोनों में डिस्टेंस कितना है. देखो, the P1 points plotted in one vector and second plotted P2 in y vector. So this is the long distance. Means what? These 2 points are not similar. So cos 90 की वैल्यू क्या आ रही? 0 आ रही. इसका मतलब क्या है? Both are not similar points. So I hope you agree. Similarity है, इसका मतलब क्या है? वैल्यू 1 आनी चाहिए, और सिमिलर नहीं रहेंगे, इसका मतलब है डिस्टेंस ज्यादा रहेगा. These are the vice versa concept. So I hope you're clear now this part. Fine. So according to that, we are taking this example. This is what? Cosine similarity related to geometric. Okay. Now just concentrate here. The one important part is, again, you can see here, according to that formula, just see here, that is formula everyone knows, cosine similarity equal to cos theta. Okay, so just concentrate here when we are increase the angles here. Okay, that is cos 45 we have clear. Just see here, suppose P1 here and P2 here. Okay, we have seen the angle cos 90 value equal to 0, means cos theta value will be 90, that is 0. Okay, if you are talking about the cos 180, the value equal to what? -1. Okay, means what? जैसे वैल्यू कैसे इंक्रीज हो रहा है, जैसे लेट्स से 90 डिग्री 0, देन cos वैल्यू, देन 180 डिग्री, दैट इज सिमिलैरिटी वी कैन से -1, then 270, that is cos 270, that is 0, and cos 360 degree, that is radian equal to 1 value. Okay, so according to that you can say that how the similarity will change. जहाँ पे 1 value आती means what? Both the points are similar. Suppose for example I am drawing here one part so that you can clear. Okay, suppose मैंने बोला P1 and P2 part. Okay, suppose I am plotting here 2 parts in same vector. Okay, suppose this is our P1, correct? This is our P1. Similarly, I am writing here P2. This is our what? P2. P2 points I am plotting. Okay, so just see here, this is our P2 points. Okay, so you can understand here. Suppose I am drawing here P2 points. So you can see here what is the concept here. दोनों एक ही वेक्टर में है, मतलब एंगल कौन सा रहेगा? Which angle we are considering? The 0 degree. Sorry, radian. Okay, this is 0 we are considering. Means what? The value of cos 0 equals to what? 1. If it is value of cos 0 equal to 1, means we can easily say that these P1 and P2 both are what? Similar points. P1 or P2 both are what? Similar to each other. Means what? The distance between these two are 0. Distance क्या हो गया उनका? 0 हो गया. Means both are in same vector. That's why both are the similar points. So I hope everyone clear. This is a formula for what? Cosine similarity. I hope clear to all. Okay, so we'll relate it to our concept actually. I hope clear this point. Everyone clear this? Fine. Just give me the acknowledgement. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, fine. So yes, so just see here. The next point is what? That is, we have to concentrate on cosine similarity. We have clear. Now the cosine distance. Okay. So distance should be on -1 to 1. Okay. So what is the formula of cosine distance? Is 1 minus cosine similarity. Just concentrate here. The formula is 1 minus what? 1 minus cosine similarity. This is the formula. Okay. This is the formula for cosine distance. Okay, so just see here, if we are talking about the cos, let's say I have to find out the distance between this cos 45. So cos 45 radian value will be what? 0.53. Suppose we are just subtracting it, 1 minus 0.53 equal to 0.47. This is what the cosine distance of that angle. Okay, suppose for example, if you are talking about the cos 90. So what is the cos distance here? Distance means what? 1 minus cosine similarity. So here if you are talking about the angle will be what? 90. So cos 90 equal to 0 value. So we are just putting here, that is 1 minus 0. The value will be what? 1 here. I hope everyone agree. Means cos जब एंगल 90 डिग्री का 90 रेडियन का रहेगा, इसका मतलब है दोनों, इसका डिस्टेंस क्या हो गया? 90 डिग्री में क्या होता है? प्लीज एनीबडी कैन टेल मी. सपोज यहाँ पे डिस्टेंस 1 है, इसका मतलब है बोथ आर सिमिलर. वी हैव सीन ऑलरेडी इन प्रीवियस स्लाइड. डिस्टेंस 1 आ गया मतलब दोनों सिमिलर है क्या? दैट वी हैव सीन इन.
यस मैम.
सिमिलर है या नहीं है? दिस इज माय क्वेश्चन.
सिमिलर है मैम.
No. Yes. Actually, I'm just repeating this part so that you can clear again. Yes, I'm putting this part because these cosine similarity and cosine distance, this part is tremendously used on recommended system. Okay, that is if you are talking about your Amazon app, Amazon जो online system में जो recommended systems है उसमें उसका बहुत ज़्यादा use होता है अभी तो. That's why this point is very important. Just concentrate here. ये देखो, अभी मैं फिर से इसको रिवाइज कर रही हूँ. मैंने क्या बोला? सिमिलैरिटी है. अभी देखो, फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने अभी प्लॉट किया, लेट्स से P1. सपोज ये P1 जो पॉइंट है, ओके, सपोज सेम पॉइंट मैंने P2 को मुझे प्लॉट करना है. ओके, सो आई विल जस्ट शो यू दैट पार्ट. I am changing the system, that's why this type of problems are arises. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. So क्या कौन सा पॉइंट चल रहा था हमारा? ये वाला. So I'll revise this. Yes, I'm drawing the point. Is the word? Okay. So this I'm drawing here P2. Okay, P1 and P2. Why it's considering the vanished? 10. Fine. This is what, again it's just concentrate, it's vanishing pane comes. Don't know, I'm changing the system currently, that's why this happened maybe. Okay, just concentrate. यहाँ पे मैंने क्या किया? P2 point plot किया है. Okay, again same problem arises. Wait for 1 minute. Okay, fine. Let's assume जब मैं ड्रॉ करूँ उस पर कॉन्सेंट्रेट करो. दिस इज व्हाट अवर P2. जैसे मैंने P2 भी यहाँ पे प्लॉट किया. ओके, सो जस्ट कॉन्सेंट्रेट. P1 इज हियर एंड P2 इज हियर इन सेम वेक्टर. सो व्हाट इज द एंगल बिटवीन देम? दोनों में एंगल कौन सा रहेगा? 0. मीन्स व्हाट? द थीटा वैल्यू विल बी 0. सो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ cos 0? Cos 0 विल बी व्हाट? 1. Okay, cos 0 will be 1 means what? Both are similar, isn't it? 0 cos 0 की वैल्यू, एंगल की वैल्यू 1 आई, इसका मतलब क्या है? Just concentrate here. I hope everyone clear this part. 1 है मतलब सिमिलर है. और cos 90 if we are talking about, suppose P1 यहाँ पे प्लॉट है और सेकेंड पॉइंट we are plotting here. the P2 plotting in here means the angle will be 90 degree. So angle 90 degree है radian we can say. The cos 90 will be the value equal to 0. इसका मतलब क्या है? These two points are far away to each other. दोनों एक दूसरे से दूर है. समझ में आ रहा है? So this is what 0 means not similar, 1 means similar. Clear? I hope everyone clear that part. Fine. So we'll go further. Yes, students. Okay. So fine. So I hope everyone clear that part. That's why again I'll repeat here. That is, this is the all about cosine similarities. Now we focused on cosine distance. Distance is opposite to similarity. Okay. मतलब similarity increase हो रही है, इसका मतलब है distance decrease हो रहा है. Okay, fine. So here cosine distance equal to 1 minus cosine similarity. So if you are talking about cos 45, so value will be 0.53. So distance will be 0.74. Okay. And what about cosine? What about in cos 90? The value will be 0. Means 1 minus 0 equal to what? 1. Yes. Distance है, इसीलिए तो similarity नहीं है in case of cos 90. Okay. And if you are talking about cos 0, if you are talking about cos 0, तो similarity का distance का क्या formula है? Cos distance, cosine distance equal to 1 minus cosine similarity. So 1 minus cos 0 की value क्या है? 1. So we can say that 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Isn't it? Means what? Distance 0 है, इसीलिए वो दोनों similar है, दोनों point similar है. Similar है मतलब उनकी value क्या आएगी? 1. So I hope this point is clear to you all. And now we'll see one example, real world example, so that you can easily understand this part. Okay, so we'll focus on that part. Okay, so just take one example here. Just concentrate, that is x and y axis. We have taken actually the two-dimensional values. Okay, because we have to take that is for y axis will be, we can say one vector, that is comedy and comedy movies and Avengers movie. Okay. Means we can say that the action movie. Okay, so action movie hai, suppose in x-axis action movie and this is comedy movie. So we have to find out the similarity between these movies. Okay, so we are taking the example of what? For action movie, that is Avenger. Okay, and for Minions, that is comedy movie. So everyone knows that Minions is comedy movie and Avenger is action movie. So what is the two-dimensional value here? Action means we can take that action is 1, comedy will be what? 0. Action 1 आएगा, comedy 0 आएगा. And for Minions, action 0 and comedy will be 1. Okay. So what is the angle between these 2 points? Suppose this is P1, this is P1 point, and this is our P2 point. So we have to find out the angle between these two. So what is the angle between these two? That is x and y axis, correct? So it should be in 90 degree. Okay. Sorry, I'm always talking about degree. This is 90 value angle, we can say that. Okay, I hope everyone clear that that is the 90 value we are considering here. So just calculating the cosine similarity of it, that is cosine similarity equal to cos 90. So what is the value here? The value will be 0. 0 means what? Both movies are not similar because one is comedy movie and one is action movie. So I hope, is that clear to you all? So when the angle will be 90 degree, everyone knows that the distance between these two words, or we can say that these two elements is more or far away from each other. Okay, so this is what the distance between these two points are. Okay, so those movies are different, that's why the value is 0 and both are not similar. Okay, so this is what all about for movies purpose, for we can say that Amazon apps, there will be this cosine similarity and distance concepts are used. Okay, fine. So just see the next example again, you can clear. Suppose I will take same example for what? Suppose in one vector that is comedy and second vector that is action movies. Okay, so we'll take another movie name, that is let's say Iron Man and Avengers. So everyone knows the Iron Man is not a comedy movie, it's action movie. Okay, so no doubt both are the plots on the same vector. Okay, so for Avenger movie, again the action will be 1 value and it's not comedy, that's why it is the second value will be 0. What about Iron Man? The value will be what? action will be 1 and comedy again 0. That's why these two values. I hope everyone clear now. Okay, so now again you can check the distance between these two. Okay, so before that again these 2 points, okay, both are plotting in same vector. I hope everyone clear that दोनों सेम वेक्टर पे प्लॉट किए हैं, इसका मतलब है उनका एंगल क्या आएगा 0 डिग्री. Okay, 0. So we are taking the value here. Cos 0 value will be what? Value equals to 1. Cos 0 value equal to 1 means both movies are similar. So I hope everyone clear now. These both are action movie. That's why both are closely related. Clear everyone? So both are similar, we can say easily. Okay, but if you are talking about the same concept related to documents, it's very difficult to identify. Just concentrate here. The word is Iron Man word is different and Avenger word is different. So however we can say that both the words are similar. If you are using this, इनकी सिमिलैरिटी फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हमने कोसाइन सिमिलैरिटी ये फॉर्मूला अप्लाई किया. दैट्स व्हाई इट्स पॉसिबल. बट व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द कीवर्ड्स, so it's not easy to understand. ये दोनों वर्ड का मीनिंग तो सेम है, both are the action movies, but words are different. So how we are going to finding out the similarity between these two words, we'll see in next part. So I hope everyone clear regarding the geometric concept, cosine similarity and cosine distances. Okay, I hope everyone clear. The value is 1. So similarity is 1 means what, both are similar. And what about the distance formula is? What is the distance formula? Distance, cosine distance equal to 1 minus cosine similarity. Yes, that is the value will be 1 minus cos 0 value will be 1. So 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So I hope everyone clear now. Distance 0 hai matlab both the movies are similar. Clear to you all? I hope everyone clear this part. Fine. Please give me the acknowledgement so that we can go further. Yes, student. I hope it's clear to you all. Everyone clear that? Yes. Here we have seen that the similarity between 2 points using angular concept means we can say that using cosine similarity. Okay. That we have found that ये दोनों मूवी सिमिलर है according to that formula. But when we are talking about, we have to find out the similarity between documents. So how we are going to finding out the similarity between documents? This is very important. So concept will be TF and IDF. TF means what? Term frequency, and IDF means what? Inverse data frequency. So we'll see how it is exactly executed. Okay. So according to points, we have seen that if you are plotted in 90 degree to 180 degree, 270, 360, we have cleared that. But what about documents? How we are going to deal with this? We'll see using TF and IDF. Okay. Okay. So how to finding out this? How to get the document similarity? So first of all, there will be the cosine similarity on bag of words and cosine similarity on TF IDF with bag of words. Means there will be number of words are there. So एक document में मान लो आप IEEE paper access करते हो. In that paper, number of words are there. Okay, we can say that the 1000, 2000 till 5000 words are there. In that we have to finding out only the technical words जो हमें use होने वाले हैं. That words we are going to consider here. Okay, that we are focusing upon that words only. Fine. So what are that words? We'll see. So we have to focus on only technical words. Means using for finding out the document similarity using cosine similarity on bag of words. So what are those words? We'll see properly. Okay. So first of all, how to get the document similarity? Okay. How we are going to finding out ये document की similarity कैसे होनी है? मान लो we are not taking the whole documents. जैसे आप मान लो आपको डेटा माइनिंग का एक डॉक्यूमेंट देखना है, IEEE पेपर आपने देखा, डिफरेंट रिपोजिटरीज आर देयर, दैट इज ACM, IEEE, स्प्रिंजरलिंग. ओके, तो आपने एक पेपर लिया, उसमें बहुत सारे वर्ड्स होते हैं. सम वर्ड्स आर टेक्निकल वर्ड्स, सम वर्ड्स आर नॉन टेक्निकल वर्ड्स. Again, there will be add, the sub, stop words, streaming words are there. So we have to remove all that words and we are focusing on the technical words. So here, according to document, we are taking some statements here. Let's say consider that this is first document, that is D1. Okay, this is our D1 document is. Okay, so what is the D1 document? D1 will be the best Italian restaurant enjoy the best pasta. Okay, this is first document. In that, how many words? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 words are there. And second document, that is D2, American restaurant enjoy the best hamburger. So this is how many words are there? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What about D3? That is Korean restaurant enjoy the best bibimbap. So how many words are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what about D4? The best American restaurant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So likewise, we are considering the 4 documents here. That is, there will be how many total number of words we have counted. Okay. So we have to work on how it is executed actually. Okay. So how we are going to finding out the distance between these words. Okay. So we'll see. Fine. So this is what the bag of words. What is mean by bag of words means what? We have to find out the frequency count of that words in given document. This is a bag of words. Okay. Frequency count means in document D1 in row. You can see here in row what I am representing. ये रो में क्या रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं हम लोग? डॉक्यूमेंट D1, D2, D3, D4 and in column there will be the words. Okay. So Italian words. How many times Italian words comes under into document D1, document D2, D3 and D4. So Italian word only one time it is present. Okay. एक ही time वो present हुआ है. So this is frequency count. We can say that it is term frequency. Okay. So how many time this term, that is Italian word comes into particular document? This is frequency count of that word. Okay. So if you are checking here, this is called as a bag of words. So frequency count of that word. How many times the word is present in given document? So D1, there will be Italian present in one time. In D2, there will be no present Italian word. That is D3, there is no any again Italian word. D4, again there is no Italian word. That's why the frequency count of that Italian word in given document D1 equal to 1. What about D2? D3, D4, all about 0. Okay. Similarly, about restaurant word. Okay. So how we are going to deal with this restaurant word? That is again in D1, one time present, D2, one time. This is what frequency count related to restaurant word. Again, we'll check in previous slide so that you can understand it. So just check here, restaurant word is present. Yes, restaurant present in one time. In D2, again restaurant word present one time. Okay. Again, it is present in one time. Okay. Just concentrate here. Again, D2 also present, D3 it's present in one time, and D4 also present one time. Okay. So frequency count of that particular word is given document. That is called as the bag of words, we can say. Okay. So I hope everyone clear that part till. Okay. हमने क्या किया? We have 4 documents here. और हर एक वर्ड का कितनी बार फ्रीक्वेंसी काउंट आया है उस डॉक्यूमेंट में वो हमने देखा है. Fine, clear till? Okay, now we'll focus on next part here. This is what all about. This is what the frequency count, document similarity we are going to check. Suppose D1 document की क्या rows wise value आई? 1 1 1, 2 2 1 and all last 4 words are 0. Okay, so that we are considering in one. ये value हमने सिर्फ separately निकाल के ली है. Okay, I hope you are till everyone clear that part. Fine. The next one. So this is all about, we have calculated it. Before that, we have to find out, this is an important formula for finding out the cosine similarity between document. That is A dot means what? We can say that the dot product multiply B divided by, that is what? This symbol is given by module, means we can say that the square root of, we can say that the summation of I equal to 1 to n, means we have to multiply this AI into BI divided by square root of A of I square into, again it's summation from I subscription to n, and similarly for summation of all square root of this and summation of all, that is second part or second document, we can say that is square. Okay, so this formula we have to use here, and according to that we have to calculate the cosine similarity. Okay, so again I'll repeat here one important part, how we are going to finding out these values. Till everyone clear this part. Okay, everyone clear this part. First of all, you should clear this formula we have to apply. The cos theta formula for cosine similarity for angular finding out the 2 points. Okay, and for this purpose we have to use this formula. Okay, so we are applying this similarity of a comma b here. Fine. So according to that we are taking this value. So a into b. So you just concentrate here. We are taking the value of cosine similarity for D1 and D4. So we are concentrating on only the two documents here, that is D1 and D2. Just we are selecting here, that is D1 and D2 points. This is what D1 and sorry D4. Okay, so only these these values we are going to consider. This value we are going to consider. So I hope everyone agree with this. We are putting that value. Okay, वो value हम कहाँ put कर रहे हैं? We are putting the formula. We are calculating it. Okay, so we are putting these values in that formula. You can calculate, and we have to take the square root of that. And we are taking all this value, but in that again we have to do the square. Okay, that is what square root of a of I square. That's why we have to take the value. Just concentrate. हमने स्क्वायर रूट स्क्वायर करके फिर उसका स्क्वायर रूट निकालना है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है. ओके, एंड दिस इज व्हाट द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 12 into square root of 10, and we are multiplying these value and summation of these values. Okay, and according to that we have calculate the value is that 9 divided by 11, that is 0.82. So the similarity of these document, we can say that this is similarity between what documents. We can say that the D1, just concentrate here, the cosine similarity with D4 we are talking about. Okay, so what is the value of that? 0.85. means we cannot say that जब similar होगा तो approximately value क्या आनी चाहिए? 1. So always remember that when you are talking about the similarity between document, it should be in -1 to 1 value. Okay, so it should be the 0.82. means we can say that which percent 80% our documents are similar. Means D1 and D2 की similarity कितनी है? 0.82%. Okay, 0.82 value. And what about if we are talking about the D4, कितना similar है खुद से? So it should be in 1. 1 means similarity will be 100%. Okay, so likewise we are going to finding out the similarity between two documents. Okay, so in that we have to talk about the TF-IDF concept. So what is TF? So I hope you've been clear that before starting it, you should clear this part properly. So what is the formula of cosine similarity? So I hope you've been clear that. So we have to take this, a simple formula is given. You have to put that value. हमें cosine similarity किसमें find out करनी थी? Yes, student. We have to find out the distance between D1 and D4 documents. So we have to put the value here and just calculate it. The multiplication of this and divided by square root of, again we have to do the square of this value multiply by second document value. Okay, so likewise we have to calculate it. So I hope you're in clear now. Dear students, for 10 minutes again everyone has to join the lecture. Okay, so till everyone clear it. Yes, student.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Now I'll stop the meeting, again we can start.